Good day, this is Joe Tomkins for Finmo by Lendesk. Today I'm discussing mortgage applications and when you have to generate an application summary to have clients sign it. Sometimes you don't want each client seeing their information on an application. We have a great ability for you to generate two different application summaries to present to your clients for signatures. Let's jump into an application and check it out. All right, to my main deal screen, and I'm going to go into this deal for Jason and Susan. So in this deal right now, Susan is the second borrower, Jason is the main borrower. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to generate a compliance document. So I come into here and I'm going to generate the application summary. So let's go ahead and regenerate it. Now there's Jason and there's Susan. I'm going to generate this document. However, I don't want the client to see the other person's information. So when I send this out, it's going to have both of their information. So here's how you can work around this. Let's go back to the application. So I'm going to hide Jason. He's actually borrower 2 right now. So I'm going to hide him from the deal. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my compliance section, to the generate documents, and I'm going to regenerate this. When I regenerate it this time, it's just Susan's information here. So let's go ahead and generate it. Here's the important step. Once you've generated it with one borrower, you need to download that document. And here is the generated document with just Susan Archibald's information in it. Now, I'm going to go back to the application. I am going to unhide Jason. I'm going to make Jason the main borrower now. You can only hide someone if they're not the main borrower. So now, Jason is the main borrower, and there's Susan. Now I'm going to hide Susan from the deal. Then go back to my compliance section, down to the generate documents, and I'm going to regenerate the second application summary. Now it's just Jason's information in here. Go ahead and generate this document, and now download that document. So now I have two separate applications that need signatures. First one for Jason, Susan's information is not here. And the second application summary, and Jason is not on this one. So there we go. Now you can download them and send them separately for signing. That's it. That's how you can hide borrowers, generate an application summary, and take care of it when privacy is an issue. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.